Okay, this is the next update. I purchased a large lot of N-scale fire trucks on eBay, and a long time ago, but I'm just making a video about it now. So I don't know who makes all of them. I'm pretty sure these first four are Kinder Surprise ones, this ladder truck being the nicest. They're not, you know, the most detailed, but not too bad either. They definitely are the close enough size. These two are Oxford from England or whatever, so they're really detailed, they're really nice. This one I have no idea, but the ladder works on it, and it actually has stabilizing jacks and everything that come down, if you could believe that. So super detailed. It's a Japanese truck of some sort, because like maybe a Tomy or somebody made it. And then there's these two big ladder trucks. They're Japanese too. He had put Boston on the one. He's got Boston on a bunch of them. I assume that's where he worked or something like that, so no big deal. The Hummers H1s, those are micro trains, and this one I think is a Bush or Viking, I'm not sure, the Land Rover. And then the one on the left is a Bush. This one here in the center, that's a Viking. There's I don't know, apparently a red Porsche came with it, 911. I don't know if that's the Chief's car. And then another Viking, but it's a Japanese prototype truck. I like Viking vehicles, all the German made stuff. I think my favorites are these three. This is kind of why I bid on this lot. They're supposed to be like in my mind, an airplane, or sorry, a airport fire truck. They're really nice, detailed as well. They're Japanese prototypes. I've got the ladder for this one, and the gun is missing, so water cannon, so we'll find that. These two helicopters are Japanese. They got Japanese writing on them. There's a red one, and then looks like a civilian one. Super nice. So we'll have to put this up in the mountains somewhere, suspended. And these ones are metal that were painted. So got the one that's all detailed. It's got the hose in the back, and then the two ambulances, an SO truck, and then this guy here is I guess for forest fighting. Then there's a bulldozer that was painted red, and some kind of earth mover. They're not completed. They don't have their windows done. And then I think that's a 3D printed helicopter that he painted. And then it came with this tower, and I'll show you. This building is 3D printed. Whoops, let's zoom out. It's actually really nicely done. So I have no idea where I'm gonna put it, but I'll try and find a spot. And this guy, I'm pretty sure, is 3D printed as well. This let's focus here. Brush command, it's deckled really nice, so that can go in my forest, and all of that moves as well. So yeah, all in all, a pretty nice haul. I've got on the layout here, I've got 2 coats of tile grout ballast done in the yard. So I got that done yesterday, and then today I got this whole section done. So yeah, I can put some peel and stick grass tufts on it next. And I've been cleaning the track. I'm going to clean it some more right after this video, make sure that we get the trains running smoothly. But it really ties it all in finally to have that coated. And I obviously glued all the track down that wasn't. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this update. I'll have another one coming soon, so stay tuned.